The Thermo MyECL Imager is a standalone platform for one-touch imaging of polyacrylamide gels and Western blots for protein detection and agarose gels for nucleic acid detection. Let's look at using the UV mode to capture images of nucleic acids and agarose gels. After staining nucleic acids in an agarose gel with ethidium bromide or another UV-activated dye, place the gel onto the clear UV exposure screen and place that onto the transilluminator of the MyECL Imager. After sliding in the platform and closing the sample chamber door, touch the UV tab on the screen to ensure that the right settings are available for UV detection. Then touch the UV button to turn on the transilluminator and you will see the live image of your gel at the indicated exposure time. The keypad has preset exposure times to vary the signal intensity. Simply touch any of these buttons to view the signal of your DNA or RNA bands at the selected exposure in real time. If the bands are overexposed or the signal is weak, just select a new exposure time. You're not limited to preset exposures, though, because the custom button enables you to create your own exposure time. The Imager comes with tools to help identify faint bands and determine the best exposure time. Display saturation highlights areas of high band intensity, where the signal is beyond the linear dynamic range. Maintaining band intensities within the linear range is critical for semi-quantitative analysis, and by using the display saturation function, you can determine which exposure will capture the signal within the dynamic range. The invert button is great for viewing faint bands by presenting a negative image of your gel or blot, and the auto contrast adjusts the contrast between the signal and background to increase band visibility. Once you've determined the best exposure time, touch Acquire and the image will be saved to the gallery. All acquired images are saved and accessible from the tabs immediately above the image, so you can try different exposure times without losing any of the data. Other options adjust the camera settings, acquire image information, export the image to a USB memory stick, and print or delete the image. The MyECL Imager has all of the functionality needed for nucleic acid data capture in a safe, intuitive, one-touch imaging system.